Dear viewers, in today's video, we're going to show you the top 10 Makita tools you should have in your arsenal to buy this year. Let's begin. Makita XVJ05Z Cordless Jigsaw. The Makita XVJ05Z Cordless Jigsaw offers precision, power, and portability for professional woodworkers and contractors. Its compact barrel grip design allows for enhanced control and more precise cuts, while the Makita-built brushless motor delivers 800 to 3,000 strokes per minute for faster and more efficient cutting. With the ability to cut up to 135 feet of 1-inch MDF on a single charge using a 5.0 Ah battery, sold separately, this jigsaw provides exceptional performance without the hassle of a cord. Featuring variable 5-speed control dial and 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting, it offers versatility for a wide range of materials. Additionally, convenience features such as the tool-less blade change system, dual LED lights, and ergonomic barrel grip design make operation easy and comfortable. Whether you're working on cabinetry, specialized construction projects, or general woodworking tasks, the Makita XVJ05Z Cordless Jigsaw is the ideal choice for precision cutting on the go. Makita XWT15Z Cordless Impact Wrench. The Makita XWT15Z Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerful and versatile tool designed for automotive, installation, and fabrication trades. Powered by a Makita-built brushless motor, it delivers 240 feet-pounds of max torque and 430 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque for unmatched fastening performance. With a compact and ergonomic design measuring only 5 5/8 inches long, it provides improved fastening control and extended runtime. The impact wrench features a 4-speed power selection switch for precise fastening control in a wide range of applications, along with 3 forward and 3 reverse auto-stop modes for increased efficiency. Additionally, the built-in LED light illuminates the work area for enhanced visibility, while the Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, provides improved dust and water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the Makita XWT15Z Cordless Impact Wrench is the perfect choice for professionals seeking unmatched performance and durability. Makita DM-L817 Compact LED Flashlight. The Makita DM-L817 Compact LED Flashlight provides robust lighting in a design that's both compact and ergonomic. With up to 29 hours of illumination using an 18VLXT6.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, sold separately, this flashlight is perfect for a wide variety of lighting needs. Its 3-mode operation delivers up to 300 lumens for top/side lights and 150 lumens for both top and side lights individually. The neutral white LED light provides clear visibility, while the lightweight design reduces operator fatigue. Featuring a low-profile design at under 4 inches long, it's an ideal addition to any toolbox. Plus, it can sit atop an 18VLXT battery for added stability and ease of placement. Powered by Makita's 18V lithium-ion system, it ensures fast charge times for increased productivity on the job. Makita XTU02Z Cordless Mixer. The Makita XTU02Z Cordless Mixer is a versatile solution for mixing drywall mud, plaster, and more. Its variable 2-speed design allows for optimum speed control and mixing versatility, with speeds ranging from 0 to 350 RPM to 0 to 1,300 RPM. The variable speed trigger enables the user to adjust the speed to the material or application, while the soft start suppresses startup reaction for better accuracy. Engineered with Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, it offers improved water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. With a durable and ergonomic design, this cordless mixer is built to withstand the demands of the job site while providing precise and efficient mixing capabilities. Makita DC-V202ZL Cordless Heated Vest. The Makita DC-V202ZL Cordless Heated Vest is designed to keep you warm in cold job site conditions. With up to 35 hours of heat using a 6.0 Ah LXT battery on the low setting, battery sold separately, this vest ensures extended warmth during long workdays. Featuring 4 carbon fiber core heat zones, it provides optimum heat distribution for maximum comfort. The vest offers 3 color-coded heat settings, high red/medium white/low blue, for precise heating control, allowing you to adjust to changing weather conditions. It includes 4 pockets for convenient storage, including a left chest pocket, side pockets, left and right, and a back waist pocket. The integrated belt clip securely holds a Makita 18V battery on the waist belt, battery not included, providing easy access to power. With its durable construction and machine washable design, This heated vest is built to withstand the rigors of the job site while offering superior warmth and comfort. Makita XRJ08Z Cordless RECIPRO Saw. The Makita XRJ08Z Cordless RECIPRO Saw presents a flexible cutting solution, featuring a compact design and convenient one-handed operation. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, sold separately, it delivers up to 3,100 strokes per minute combined with a 7/8-inch stroke length for faster and more efficient cutting. With a low vibration design, it reduces operator fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. The loop-shaped handle provides rigidity for improved cutting efficiency, while the spring-assisted keyless blade ejection allows for quick and easy blade changes without the need to touch hot blades. Featuring variable speed control and a pivoting shoe plate, this reciprocating saw ensures precise cutting in a variety of applications. Compact and ergonomic, it's designed for working in tight spaces and overhead applications. With convenience features like a built-in LED light and rubberized soft grip, this reciprocating saw offers enhanced comfort and usability. Makita XAG25Z Cordless Angle Grinder. The Makita XAG25Z Cordless Angle Grinder offers exceptional performance and control for various grinding and cutting tasks. Featuring active feedback sensing technology, AFT, it automatically turns off the motor if the wheel's rotation is suddenly forced to stop, enhancing safety on the job site. The automatic speed change technology adjusts speed and torque during operation for optimal performance, while the soft start suppresses startup reactions for smoother startups and longer gear life. With a compact and ergonomic design, it reduces operator fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently utilizes energy to match torque and RPM to the application's demands. Equipped with star protection computer controls, it safeguards against overloading, overdischarging, and overheating, ensuring long-lasting durability. The XAG25Z is compatible with Makita's 18V lithium-ion batteries, providing cordless convenience without compromising on power. Makita HR3001CK Rotary Hammer. The Makita HR3001CK Rotary Hammer is a robust and versatile tool designed for demanding applications. Powered by a 7.5 ampere motor, it delivers 2.9 feet-pounds of impact energy to tackle tough jobs with ease. The constant speed control automatically applies additional power to the motor to maintain speed under load, ensuring consistent performance. Its L-shaped body design brings the operator closer to the application for increased accuracy, while the vibration-absorbing back handle enhances operator comfort during prolonged use. This rotary hammer features 3-mode operation for versatility and a torque-limiting clutch to prevent gear damage. Ideal for a range of trades, from masonry to general contracting, the HR3001CK offers durability, precision, and power to handle a variety of tasks effectively. Makita XCU14Z Cordless Pruning Saw. The Makita XCU14Z Cordless Pruning Saw provides a practical and effective solution for light limb cutting and pruning tasks, offering convenience and efficiency. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, this saw is powered by a Makita-built brushless motor, delivering optimal cutting performance. With tool-free chain adjustment and a retractable guard, it ensures convenient operation and maintenance. Capable of up to 140 cuts in 2-inch cedar with a single fully charged 18V T2.0 battery, sold separately, it provides ample power for various pruning needs. The soft grip handle reduces operator fatigue, while the brushless motor ensures longer runtime, increased power, and extended tool life. Engineered with extreme protection technology, XPT, it offers improved dust and water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. Compatible with Makita's expanding 18V XT system, it provides cordless convenience without compromising on performance. Makita XLC08ZB Cordless Vacuum. The Makita XLC08ZB Cordless Vacuum is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution for various surfaces. Powered by a Makita-built brushless motor, it delivers up to 90 watts of suction power for fast and efficient cleaning. With a bagless cloth filtration system, it allows for easier cleaning and quicker debris disposal. The vacuum can be used in trigger mode or slide switch mode for added convenience. Featuring a thermoplastic hand grip for longer life and enhanced comfort, it reduces operator fatigue during extended use. Weighing only 3.0 pounds, with a battery sold separately, it's lightweight and ergonomic. Part of Makita's expanding 18V XT system, it offers compatibility with a wide range of batteries for extended versatility. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 10 Makita tools you should have in your arsenal to buy helps you find your best fit.